friends! How are you? Well, it's me again, Teacher Kevin PH, and we are back with another video. Hi there everyone! Well, it's me, Teacher Kevin, and this time, all you need to do then is to sit back, relax, listen, watch, and learn. The first thing that I want you to take away from today is this: you will have good days and you will also have bad days. But you will always learn something more, something new, and you will learn more overall on bad days than good days. You will learn more about yourself, you will learn more about life, love, leadership from different principles, and you will build your character. Well, my dear students, in this world, you must learn to accept life so that the world will accept you. Well, my dear friends, today we're going to make a tutorial of how to set up the simplest, the cheapest. Actually, I used no price at all in this video in setting up my own studio. Well, actually, don't mind my background. This is what happens if you don't have money. But I believe this is just for now. This is just for now. Okay? And soon, if we'll earn more, if we'll save more, how about a studio upgrade? Right? So today, I'm just going to simply tour you in my humble studio. The simplest and the cheapest studio ever that you will see in YouTube. Alright, so my dear friends, I have here a green screen. This was just sponsored, okay? And actually, it's just one of my mother's curtain. We'll just recycle this one, my dear friends. Alright, so let's put it in. To put a bracket for our green screen, I have here 2 nails and a stone. I don't have hammer right now. Right. So let's do it. We also have here 2 clips. Alright, so we've just finished setting up our green screen, and let's take a look at it. Just simple as this one, my dear friends, just to cover up our background right now and to add a bit of an appeal in our videos. Okay, so let me just align this one for a better view. Right, so we're done setting up our green screen, and this time I'm going to show you if what or else are the other things that I'm using in vlogging or in making my tutorials. Alright, don't expect too much. Right, so as you can see, my dear friends, there you go. I have here a ring light, which is given to me by my cousin, just the cheapest ring light. I also have here a laptop, and if you don't mind, this laptop is not mine. Okay, this is my girlfriend's laptop. I'm just borrowing it, my dear friends. There you go. I'm using OBS in recording my tutorial videos and even my intro videos, my dear friends. Alright? And just a low spec laptop, but I'm thanking my girlfriend for this. And soon, if we have more, then I'll definitely pay her back. Alright, so thank you. This is how Teacher Kevin PH started. Right? So my table, just a simple table, my dear friends. I also have here a mini table as well. A chair. Soon this will be, what do you call that one? A gaming chair if we'll earn more. Hi. And of course, our background here, green screen. Our house is not yet finished, you know. There are still so many things that needs to be finished. And this one, done setting up our green screen, our computer, and of course our ring light and more. I placed my setting. I choose this part of my room because you definitely save the energy from this ring light, because this ring light is not enough to make our videos cleaner, right, with that green screen. Okay, so it's time for us to test this one using our green screen, using our OBS. Right, there you go. There you go. So let's see the result, my dear friends. Hi everyone, we've just finished
setting up our studio. Now there's no more hollow blocks at the back. And as you can see, this is the result, my dear friends, of our green screen. Created this overlay, my dear friends, this one using PowerPoint. And here we go, at least we can hide what's behind us. But I'm not ashamed of that. Right, we're just simply making our videos even more engaging and even more creative. Okay, so let me turn on my ring light. Let's see if something changes. Turn on. There you go. There you go. Alright, so this is just simply our studio setup, my dear friends. Actually, you can also do that one on your own, and hope that we'll earn something more next time. Thank you so much for watching, and this is me, Teacher Kevin PH. Don't forget to support.